Hello everybody, it's EK from EK Gorm Designs, and I am popping in with a brand new mini kit from White Rose Crafts. This is the Love Always Card Making and Craft Mini-Kit. It's smaller than their normal kits and it's been cultivated not just for Valentine's Day, but for any time you're thinking of someone and you want to send them a little bit of, well, love. I'm going to start by, I'm unboxing today and showing off all that's packed full of this quote mini kit. It might be considered mini and priced as if it's mini, but it still feels jam-packed full of all kinds of fun crafting supplies. It's got an assortment of 3 cards in it, including the Jelly Bean shaker card with matching envelope, and then you have this scalloped, slightly, it's white, but it's not crisp white card. And finally, a large white card with matching envelope. In addition to the 3 cards, there is a sample size pack that is exclusive to this kit of the Love Always Shaker Blend. It's a pack of little bits and baubles and jewels that will fit beautifully into that shaker card, in addition to accenting other projects. There are 12 pieces of pretty in pink 6x6 paper crafts from Dovecraft, and these 2 gorgeous round, they're felt's the wrong word, but they're fabric. They're fabric frames from Gorgeous. But here are the 12 papers. Let's see if I can shuffle them out without, it will take forever. But you'll see that they're not just pinks and reds. It's a combination of colors. Yes, I'm fighting with the paper and struggling, but there's a whole collection of papers, so it really is a kit that's perfect for year-round. And all of the prints on these Dovecraft papers are really subtle, and you would think I would know how to use my spacing here. I don't. But no, all the prints on the paper are really small, and subtle may be the wrong word, but they're not overpowering. Sometimes you get prints that are the focal image. These are all easily background prints. And like I said, it's an assortment of colors, but you can tell the palette works with each other. So there's your 12 papers. In the kit, there is also a kit within a kit. This is the Hunky Dory Adorable Scoreable Strawberry Street kit, and it's a card kit within a kit. Yes, so these come with 2 large pieces of heavy cardstock, plus these already decoupage die cut pieces that you can use and frame out or card out and really make some really quite lovely projects with it. And here are the large cardstocks that you can see can be trimmed down and used in a collection of different ways. And they're just really sweet, and they'd make perfect birthday cards or celebratory congratulation type projects. You get a pack of stickers from Doodlebug, and this is the French Kiss, and you can tell it is a very love theme, but there are a lot of actually things on there that go beyond just love. So you can make a really girly card for a daughter or all kinds of things for that sticker kit. This is the Dovecraft Kiss and Makeup mini clothespins. They're hot pink and red, and you get a couple of each. There's 6 in the pack. This is Technique Tuesday stamp set, and it's 3 different sentiments on it, which again help expand this beyond just a Valentine's kit. You get the Kiss and Makeup banner. So it's got the little banner flags and some twine that will allow you to use it. You have the Kiss and Makeup frames, which these are super fun, and you can put over, do like a scrapbooking project and put over a picture easily. Additionally, in the kit you have some mulberry paper hearts in various sizes of red and pink. You have these tags, and they are Jelly Bean. No, this is me trying to check my notes, and I'm not doing well. Oh, They're very cool little tags. You get 2 of each, and this one with the stripes is a tag within a tag. You also get a collection of ribbons. 2 are from the Gorgeous collection, and so it's 2 satin ribbons from the Gorgeous collection, so the red and the fig color, and then the printed red and pink XOXO. And there we go. That is this mini kit. And to call it mini seems foolish. It seems incredibly jam-packed and filled. I'm really looking forward to playing with this and seeing how far I can stretch it. So make sure you stay tuned for that. The kit is up and live, and it's small enough collection that it can be sent out in a priority mail shipping, so you can get it within 2 days of shipping. So make sure you pop over to White Rose Crafts, pick it up because it is limited edition, and when it's gone, it's gone. And until then, happy crafting!